This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate lava cake in an air fryer. First, melt 4 ounces of good quality chocolate with 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. Whisk 2 large eggs with 1/4 cup of sugar until light and fluffy. Gently fold the melted chocolate mixture into the egg mixture, then add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This simple batter is the key to a perfect lava cake. Once your chocolate and butter are beautifully melted, set them aside to cool slightly. In a separate bowl, whisk your 2 large eggs with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes pale and airy. This aeration is crucial for a light cake. Now, carefully fold the cooled chocolate mixture into the egg mixture, followed by 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix just until combined, avoiding overmixing. Now it's time to fill your prepared ramekins. Divide the batter evenly between the 2 greased ramekins, filling them about 2/3 full. Carefully place the ramekins into your preheated air fryer basket. Cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. The exact time may vary slightly depending on your air fryer model, so keep an eye on them for that perfect gooey center. After air frying, carefully remove the ramekins and let them cool for just 1 minute. This brief cooling period helps the cake set slightly, making it easier to invert. Place a serving plate over each ramekin and flip it over. The cake should slide out easily, revealing its beautiful form. Serve immediately with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or fresh berries for an unforgettable dessert experience. Enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make chocolate lava cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.